In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share an Excel file using Google Drive. Whether you're managing work documents or collaborating on a personal project, sharing your files is an essential skill in our digital age. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type in drive.google.com in the address bar. This will take you straight to Google Drive, our platform of choice for this task. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to access your Google account. Simply enter your credentials and you'll have all your Drive features at your fingertips. Now that you're inside your Google Drive, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see a prominent New button. Clicking on this button opens a drop-down menu, giving you access to various options, including creating new documents, folders, and more. From this menu, choose File Upload. It's your gateway to uploading files from your computer onto the cloud. Next, you'll need to navigate through your computer's file directory to select the Excel file you want to upload. Whether it's a .xlsx or .xls file, locate it and hit Open to commence the upload process. You'll notice the progress at the lower right corner of the Drive interface, and before you know it, your file will appear in your My Drive section. Upon completion of the upload, locate your newly added file in the My Drive section. A handy tip here is to right-click on the file, which will bring up a context menu with several options. From this list, you'll want to select Share. Doing this opens up the sharing settings for your file. In the sharing settings window, you'll see a field where you can enter the email of the person you want to share your file with. Simply type in the email address of your collaborator or recipient. If you have multiple people in mind, you can add more emails as well. As you prepare to send the file, take a moment to consider the level of access you want to provide. You have three choices: Viewer, where the recipient can only view the file; Commenter, which allows for comments without making changes; and Editor, granting full editing capabilities. Select the role that best suits your needs. Once you've set the permissions to your satisfaction, there's just one step left. Click the Send button. This final click sends out the invitation to the recipient, allowing them access to your file according to the permissions you've assigned. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded and shared an Excel file through Google Drive. With practice, these steps will become second nature, making you a more efficient collaborator in any cloud-based sharing environment. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.